Ready to turn your fashion dreams into a thriving online clothing store with Wix? First, head over to Wix.com and hit Get Started to create your account, or log in if you already have one. Next, Wix will ask you what kind of website you want to create. Select Online Store, then choose a clothing store template that vibes with your brand or start from scratch for a truly unique look. Once the editor loads, it's time to customize. Click on any element: text, images, buttons to change and update the header with your store name and logo. Now, let's add your fabulous clothing items. Go to the store section on the left-hand panel and click Manage Products. Here you can add new products, including images, descriptions, sizes, and prices. Don't forget about inventory. The Wix store allows you to track quantities so you don't oversell. To get paid, set up your payment gateways in the Settings section. Wix supports major providers like PayPal, Stripe, and credit card processing. Configure your shipping rates and options to reach customers worldwide. Ensure your store looks amazing on all devices by switching to the mobile editor and making any necessary adjustments. Finally, hit publish and share your stylish new online store with the world. Congratulations, you're officially open for business.